Hi, everyone. My name is Diane Yetter, and I'm the founder of the Sales Tax Institute. And we're thrilled to be coming up on our advanced workshop that will be held at the end of April in San Diego this year. And I'd love to introduce you to one of our faculty members. And joining me today is Trisha Davidson. Trisha, welcome.
Thanks, Diane. Great to be here. I'm Trisha Davidson. I'm a senior tax manager at Yetter Tax and Sales Tax Institute. And I lead our team of consultants as we help our clients find solutions for their sales tax function and solve mysteries of sales tax.
So Trisha, I know you've started teaching with us last year. So why don't you tell us why do you enjoy teaching at the Sales Tax Institute?
Yeah. So I choose to teach for Sales Tax Institute because I really care about our students. And, I remember starting out in sales tax, and I remember the very first sales tax class that I ever took, which happened to be a Sales Tax Institute class. And I remember how I felt when I left that class. And I thought, this is exactly what I needed to learn. And it was so meaningful for me. And for me, learning those practical applications and not just the theory alone is so advantageous in the sales tax journey. It really provides the big picture that's needed to be effective. And I just really enjoy being in service and giving to others. I want to share as much of my 30 years of sales tax experience with them so they can be prepared to have the tools and the knowledge that they need to know where to look for the answers and then how to apply them to their situation.
So our advanced workshop coming up in 2 months, we've got some great topics. There's always a lot of great networking. There are the opportunity to meet new people and reconnect with people that have been to our classes in the past. What do you most look forward to when you're at the advanced workshop?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this one. And I think I'm most looking forward to making new connections in person at class and to purposeful interaction and just the sharing of insights with all who are participating. I think I'm most eager to see the engagement that our students will have, not only with each other, but also with the topics. And just to know that they will take away from the class some actions that they can go back into their workplaces and implement is very rewarding.
That's a big part of what I love about it too. So Trisha, thank you for joining me today. And thanks to everybody for watching. And if you're interested in attending our Sales Tax Institute Advanced Workshop in April in San Diego, information to register is in the post below, and we would love to have you join us. So we'll be back with some of our other faculty members, so keep an eye out. And we look forward to hopefully seeing you guys in San Diego. Take care. Thanks, Trisha.